Hi there, and welcome to Travel Trail Adventures. On our channel, you can expect to find the best hidden gems around the US and the world, accompanied by helpful travel tips to make your next trip a breeze. Join us as we explore the best destinations, uncover secrets and experiences not many people know about. Traveling, as we know, is an exciting adventure, but packing can be a real headache. It can be overwhelming just trying to decide what to bring and what to leave behind. And then there's the cost of all those essentials that you need for your travel. But don't worry, we've got you covered, because in this video, we'll show you 15 travel essentials that won't break the bank. These items will help you pack like a pro for your next trip. And these are all for under $50. Let's get started. Our travel essential number one would be parking cubes. Parking cubes are small, lightweight, and versatile. They come in different sizes and can be used to compartmentalize your luggage, keeping everything organized and easy to find. You can use parking cubes to separate your clothes by type, outfit, or activity. For example, you can put all your socks and underwear in one cube, your t-shirts and shorts in another, and your formal wear in a third. This not only helps save space, but it also makes parking and unpacking a breeze, because you can easily move your cubes from your luggage to your hotel dresser or vice versa. Our next travel essential item is a portable phone charger. A portable phone charger is a small and lightweight device that you can use to charge your phone on the go. They usually come with a USB cord, so you can plug them into your phone and keep it charged whilst you're out and about. This is particularly useful if you are using your phone for navigation or taking photos throughout the day. You can also use it to charge other USB-powered devices like your camera, headphones, or an e-reader. A reusable water bottle is a must-have for any traveler. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but it can also save you money. Instead of buying bottled water everywhere you go, you can refill your bottle at water fountains, cafes, or restaurants. Many airports now have water bottle refill stations as well. Look for a water bottle that's durable, leak-proof, and easy to carry. Some now come with features like a clip or a built-in filter. The next travel essential item is a travel towel. A travel towel is a quick-drying, lightweight, and compact towel that you can take with you on the go. They're perfect for the beach, the gym, or any other activity where you might need to dry up quickly. They come in different sizes, so you can choose one that fits your needs. Look for a travel towel that's soft, absorbent, and antimicrobial. Some even come with a carrying case or a loop for easy hanging. A neck pillow is another travel essential. A neck pillow is a small and comfortable pillow that you can use to support your head and neck while you're traveling. They're particularly useful for long flights or bus rides where you might want to take a quick nap. Look for a neck pillow that's soft yet supportive. Some come with features like a washable cover or clip to attach to your luggage. Another must-have travel essential is a travel adapter. The travel adapter is a small device that you can use to plug in your electronics when you're traveling internationally. Different countries have different types of outlets, so it's important to get an adapter that's compatible with the country you're visiting. Some adapters come with multiple plugs, so you can use them in different regions. Look for a travel adapter that's lightweight, compact, and easy to use. Some even come with a built-in port for charging your device. Our next travel essential item is a sleep mask. A sleep mask is a small and lightweight accessory that can help you sleep better whilst traveling. It can block out light and noise, creating a more peaceful sleeping environment. This is particularly useful if you're staying in a hotel with bright lights or noisy neighbors. Look for a sleep mask that's comfortable, adjustable, and breathable. Some now even come with earplugs to block out sound. A foldable tote bag is an absolute essential for every traveler. A foldable tote bag is a versatile and practical accessory that you can use for shopping, sightseeing, or carrying extra items. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to pack in your luggage or carry on. Look for a tote bag that's durable, spacious, and easy to fold up. Some even come with a zipper pouch for storage when not in use. Headphones are a must-have for any traveler. They can help you block out noise whilst you're on a plane, a bus, or train, or listen to music or podcasts whilst you're sightseeing or working remotely. Look for headphones that are comfortable, noise cancelling, and lightweight. Some even come with a built-in microphone for phone calls or voice commands. Travel-sized toiletries are convenient and practical items that you can pack in your luggage or carry on. They save space and weight, and they're also allowed in carry-on bags as long as they meet TSA regulations. Look for travel-sized versions of your favorite shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, and other personal care items. Some airlines also provide them for free in their amenity kits. Coming in at number 11 on our list is a travel journal. A travel journal is a personal and creative way to document your travel experiences. You can use it to write down your thoughts, feelings, and observations, or to sketch or doodle your surroundings. It's a great way to remember your trip and to reflect on your adventures. Look for a travel journal that's small, lightweight, and easy to carry. Some even come with prompts or inspirational quotes to get you started. Our next travel essential item is a passport holder. The passport holder is a convenient accessory to keep your most important travel document, your passport, safe and secure. A good passport holder should be lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry with you on the go. Some passport holders come with additional pockets for storing boarding passes, credit cards, and other travel documents, making them even more useful for you. First aid kits are travel essential items that are often overlooked and can come in handy for minor injuries, cuts and bruises whilst traveling. A good first aid kit should include essential items like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and other essentials. It should also be compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry with you in your backpack or your luggage. Having a first aid kit with you whilst traveling can give you peace of mind and help you quickly address any minor health concerns that may arise. A luggage lock is a simple and effective way to keep your belongings safe and secure whilst traveling. You want to look for a lock that's easy to use, TSA approved, and can fit different types of luggages. A good luggage lock should be durable and able to withstand rough handling. It should also be easy to lock and unlock, allowing you to quickly access your belongings when you need to. A luggage lock is a simple investment that can go a long way in keeping your belongings safe whilst you are on the go. The last but not the least travel essential item and an absolute must-have on our list is a sunscreen. A sunscreen is an essential item to pack, especially if you're traveling to a sunny destination. You want to look for a sunscreen that's water resistant, has a high SPF, and can protect against both UVA and UVB rays. A good sunscreen should be lightweight, non-greasy, and easy to apply. It should also be safe for your skin and free from harmful chemicals. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays is crucial, as prolonged exposure to the sun can lead to sunburn, skin damage, and even skin cancer. Well, there you have it. All of these travel essentials are affordable and practical, and they're useful, making them great additions to your packing list. They'll help you stay comfortable, organized, and entertained whilst you are on the go. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of more travel videos and shorts every week.